Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Boden token. Now it was just announced that the Boden token is getting a brand new central exchange listing on a pretty big central exchange. This is a meme token on the Solana blockchain. We're going to go over the Boden token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we go over that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. The Boden token. I keep wanting to say Boden. I keep wanting to say Joe Boden, but it's actually Boden. On their webpage, they actually say Joe a couple times, so I get confused here. But it says Joe Boden is the heartfelt leader, and this is all in meme, like broken English language on their page. If you go over to bodenonsol.xyz, you'll see what I'm talking about. So it says his mission is to build back a better, to unify the divided, and to counter the wild claims of Donald Trump. We're here to bring together all the America memes and support one another through the highs and the lows. Make sure to stand by Boden for real change. Now, their tagline here is Boden. Own only Boden and be happy. And so lots of memes going on here. Their Telegram, you can follow their Telegram at geo_Boden. And they have 933 subscribers on there so far. You could preview the Telegram channel if you like. And yeah, their webpage, bodenonsol.xyz. So first of all, this is a Solana token. So if you did want to buy this token, there is a buy now button in the top right-hand corner of their webpage that's going to take you over to Bird Eye. Their contract address is right on their page. And you can get this token also off of Raydium. So basically, there's some step-by-step instructions on the webpage in more detail. If you are not sure how to use Raydium or, say, a Phantom wallet. But you could download a Phantom wallet, Coinbase wallet, Coin98, Trust Wallet, MetaMask wallet, any wallet that holds Sol. So you would fund your, say, Trust Wallet with Sol, go into the dApps, find Raydium, and then trade your Sol for the Boden token using the contract address that you could find on their official webpage, bodenonsol.xyz. Now, it doesn't say anything specifically about tax. Oh, it says we have 0 taxes, so you don't need to worry about any specific slippage. So unless it's like real volatile market, lots of transactions going on, then you might need to set slippage a little higher. On their webpage, obviously, you're going to find tons of memes, how to buy, and just a tiny bit of info. This is very much just a meme token, little to no information. There is a couple charts, though, so you can find all the links for this token on CoinMarketCap. It's listed on CoinMarketCap. Boden, just look that up. This token is actually up 20% right now, doing very well today. 4.2 cents around there, that's the token price right now. They have the contract address on CoinMarketCap, which brings me to their new announcement here. So they just announced today that the Boden token will be listed today, March 7th at 11 o'clock UTC time, which has already passed, on Lbank. So if you're looking to get this token, you could download Lbank from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, get it on your PC, open an account on Lbank, go into the trade section after you fund your wallet with USDT and search Boden, and then simply just buy the token. So it says world premiere Boden listing. It's listed on Lbank as of now, but if Lbank is not available in your country, because it's not available in everybody's country, you could use Raydium or Bird Eye or maybe Jupiter, any of those decentralized exchanges. So current supply of this token, it says, is 690,325,512.2 tokens. And they have 9 decimal places on this token here. And so their fully diluted market cap is $30.16 million. 24-hour trading volume for this token right now is $58.88 million. And market cap $29.9 million. Doing very well here today, up 22% right now. So it says it's listed on Orca, Raydium, Jupiter, and Lbank so far. So those are all the listings on CoinMarketCap. And they also have their webpage, contract address, Twitter, and Telegram, all listed on CoinMarketCap. You can also find this token on DEX tools. So liquidity in Raydium right now, $554,710. They have 10,130 holders so far, according to DEX tools. Doing very well. They have 1.89 thousand pooled SOL in Raydium, which is equivalent to 6.33 million pooled Boden tokens. And the cool thing about DEX tools is that on DEX tools you could find a quick audit. So I haven't seen a full audit on this token. So full audits are obviously the best, and if they're done by big companies like CertiK or KRAKEN, they're going to be more in-depth audits. But they do have a quick audit for now. So just keep in mind it's just a quick audit, and you should obviously wait for a full audit, KYC, important things before being fully sure if a token's good or not. People do get risky out there though, but. They have a quick audit on DEX tools, and it says no alerts, which is good, but just keep in mind these are the only things that they checked for. So it says contract is verified. It says no honeypot, no mintable tokens, tax is not modifiable, and it says no other risks. Now keep in mind it is just a quick audit, and yeah, you should always look for a full audit. There's a community trust score of 68.4% from 19 votes, and a DEX score of 76 out of 99. So that's all the info basically on this token that I could find. Very much just a meme token, not a ton of information on here. But yeah, let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about the Boden token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.